So this chapter is coordinate geometry, and this first exercise is purely based on distance formula. So distance formula का derivation देखेंगे अपन कैसे distance formula derive किया करके, ठीक है? Now consider two axes, x and y axis, and this is the origin. Is it clear? Now consider any point A and another point B. Is it clear? So now since these 2 points lie in the xy plane, A and B, these are the 2 points. These 2 points lies in xy plane. So coordinate of A will be, since it is lying in this xy plane, so this will be x1 and this will be y1. So coordinates of A will be x1 and y1. Similarly, B x2. So coordinate of B will be x2 and here it will be y2. So we know the coordinates of A and B. The coordinates of A are A is x1, y1, and the coordinate of B is x2, y2. Now we will join these 2 points, A and B. So A and B forms a distance. So we want to find out the formula for distance AB, and that will be termed as distance formula. Now here, first of all, what I will do, I will take one straight line. I will take one straight line or horizontal line parallel to x-axis and named it as AC. And from B, I will draw a perpendicular over AC. So AC is perpendicular to BC. AC is horizontal. AC is horizontal and it is parallel to x-axis. AC is parallel to x-axis, whereas BC is vertical and it is parallel to y-axis. Clear? Now here it forms a right angle triangle. It forms a right angle triangle. So triangle ACB is nothing but it is a right angle triangle. Now in right angle triangle you can use Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, this AB square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the perpendicular side. So AC and BC are the perpendicular side. So this is by Pythagoras theorem. तो AC की जो लेंथ आएंगी, AC इज पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस. A का x कोऑर्डिनेट जो x1 है और C का x कोऑर्डिनेट x2 है ना, तो A और C के बीच में लेंथ हो जाएंगी x2 माइनस x1. उसी तरीके से BC इज पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस, तो B और C के बीच में लेंथ हो जाएंगी y2 माइनस y1. सो ये जो AC जो लिखा है मैंने x2 माइनस x1 एंड BC जो लिखा है y2 माइनस y1, ये मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा इस इक्वेशन में जो कि पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करने के बाद आया है. ठीक है, तो AB स्क्वायर will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now you will take square root of both the side. So here AB will be under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the derived formula for calculating distance, which is also called as the distance formula. So whenever 2 points are there and if you know the coordinates of these 2 points, then you can find out the distance between the 2 points by using distance